Welcome back to the aqnextai channel. In this video, we are going to learn how to build an intelligent, free AI chatbot using Nathan workflow from scratch. Today, we will build a live chatbot step by step. So, without wasting any time, let's head straight to our screen. First, we will click on Add First Step. Once the search bar opens, search for webhook, click on the first option, and then close it using the cross button. Next, click on the plus icon given ahead. When the search bar opens again, search for AI agent, click on it, and close the window. Now, click on the plus icon next to chat model, search for Google Gemini chat model in the bar, and add it to the node. In step 4, click on the plus icon for memory, select simple memory from the list, and add it to your workflow. After this, click the plus icon ahead of the AI agent, search for Respond to Webhook, and click to connect it forward. Now, click on the AI agent and scroll down. Click on Add option, select System Message, and write the instructions according to your website. Our workflow is complete here, but for advanced settings and live proof, please subscribe to aqnextai and type Part 2 in the comments. I will upload Part 2 very soon.